round 4 probably final. There's some over there, but I'm not gonna jump around here a little bit. So let's go look at some stuff here, shall we? Beautiful day, September 2024. September 28th. So we got a lot of interesting stuff here. At least 68. Got that right here. Tracy's still alive. People come pay respects. That's too. Isabella Rose Otis, 1 year old. That's a shame. 1940. Earl, 1945, 1987. Still alive. Purple Heart. Christian. Hannah's Christian, 54, 55. Everything there is in season, yeah. I Would Like to Fish, Matthew, 1968, 2005. Pretty young. Very young. I Always Like the Outdoors. Good man, Matthew. Mary Lou Duvall, 1874 to 1960. That's a long life. Jeepers scrapers. Whew. Died a little couple days after Christmas, 1924, 1867. 1966, 1989. '17, 52, 05. George C. Phillips. Mm-hmm. '22, Schultz, Olson. Separated momentarily by death. 1995, 2010. Erickson, Lucille. 1914, Nelson. Another good name. Really nice one. This is a nice one. Look at that one, Sam William. 1989, 2022. Oh, that's too bad. That's a pretty youngin'. So that's must be the family plot. It wasn't very old, not at all. So that'd be, what would that be? 20? I don't know. I can't. I'm not good at it on the fly. Kenneth Wayne Olin. Oh, this one's kind of cracked. You really can't see. It's too bad. A lot of other ones I probably walked over that can't read, but some big ones right here. This is 1906, 1905. It's a shame a lot of the big Jewish ones I've seen online. People will go and tipping things over, pushing them over and stuff. It's like, yeah, that's real classy. Real classy. The one I went a long time ago, a couple of years ago, was pretty fun to go through. Saw a lot of celebrities in there. I see Paul Wellstone's bus is being brought back out. I saw that in the paper yesterday. So, 2095. Married August 1980. Looks like they're still alive. Unless they passed, I don't know. She's still alive. Cook, 1942. So, kind of work our way over here. I mean, it goes a little farther down there, but way down there, it's a pretty big thing. I could probably do 7 videos, but not to clog all that behavior up, so I give you an idea. So, it goes way, way down there. The Jewish one I went through, it's pretty big. What about this camera? This DJI, this thing can handle heat. Anderson's a pretty big name in this cemetery. And people come in here at night and destroy stuff. You know, look for ghosts, I guess. Dorothy Lowe, 1922, 1967. Relatively pretty young. Beloved daughter and sister, Susan Lynn Waterhouse. I love that last name, Waterhouse. That'd be a great stage name, Wanda Waterhouse. Starring Wanda Waterhouse, yay! Marine here. Kenley, United Marine Corps. U.S. Army. She died the year I was born. Larson, Lauren, August 9th, 1912. 1992. Got a motorcycle guy. $18.84. Oh my goodness. $18.82. My goodness. Died January 28, age 77 years old. 83, Betsy. Goodness. 18, someone probably came in and made a bigger one, so. Donald Sr., Hazel, he went first, then she went 2013. Donald Jr., Marie, and Fred, and Mark. There's a whole bunch I could go down, but I'm not going to sit here all day long. Plus, I only got 1 battery, so 4 is enough. You know, they have some pretty cool ones in New Orleans above ground. That's an old one right there. 1873. It's 1831 to 1898. Oh my goodness. Old. 1841, 1936. Annie Che Chow. Sister. 1874 to 1961. She's been gone 63 years. Brother. He went first 1866 to 1933. The old days, when they got sick, what do? You know, you can only do so much now. They prolong your life. Not in the old days. 1896, 1965. Rose Rivera. Ah, my favorite ones. Dorothy. We can sit down and talk to Dorothy. I love these. You can sit down and relax. Talk to your beloved ones. Oh. But said you see a bunch more over here. Saw some lady, she was watering the flowers of her loved one. So they're both the same age. He died 29, she's still alive. Miller. Sheldon's gone. She's hanging out. She'll be reunited when she gets there. But yeah, it's a pretty cool cemetery up high. Off Minnetonka Boulevard here, right down from Snuffy's. If you're ever in town, Snuffy's. So there's a ton more down there. It's about another battery, I guess. But and then you start doing like 6 videos in a row. So it is what it is. It's kind of like a little family one right here. Doused, me, Fred, 1960. She's watering this one right over here. So Clark, Matthew, France, Mooney. So, anyways, Johnson. I'd like to be a bowler. My dad was a big bowler. Heck yeah. So let's strike. My mom was a good bowler too as well. But anyways, we'll roll over here, some older ones right here. But having the time of our lives today. So anyways, a lot of ones right here. 1994. It's a nice one right here. So, all right, you guys. See a lot of men and women in the armed forces buried here. We'll end it right here. Arthur Bell. Hell yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it.